Yeah, this is pequeño.
Right.
Oh, this pequeño. The big one's small one.
Yeah, this is rump steak. This is important because like a rump steak cannot be like larger than like 5 kilos.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Right.
And always when you like he cuts with the fat.
Yeah.
He always cook the fat, but we don't eat the fat. You just
Right.
get the fat
But you
out.
get it off.
Yeah, because when you cook, the fat like dissolves in
Right.
it makes it more softer.
Oh,
Yeah.
Tender.
wow.
Yeah, curve it round.
Oh, wow. Oh, nice.
How can it
Eu
run?
sempre quis saber como vocês conseguiam fazer a curva.
Wow, that's so cool. And it is a small one, right? The
Yeah,
small is like the small
that
piece.
big over there.
This is the noble one.
Right.
This is not.
Right, so it's like that.
Nice.
It's more tender, right? Towards
Yeah,
it.
it's the tail of the.
That's great. Oh, take pictures.
That's a video.
Now he's going to drink the noble one.
Right, okay, that's the number.
Almost like making sushi. Sashimi, you know?
Right, I'm going to get copies for this photo.
Yeah, me too.
There's a video now.
So before they stick that, there's one salt in Brazil. There's a very thick salt, and they put in it, and also the salt helps like to cook better. That's why you always get this salty taste.
Oh yeah, and that's why you're always really thirsty.
Right.
Have a beer.
But it's so tasty.
This is why.
Fazer pra ele uma borboleta agora.
Por isso que ele vem pro Brasil, por causa disso.
In fact, this is why I come to Brasilia.
Por isso que ele vem pra Brasília.
And what did you just say?
This is why I come to Brazil.
Yeah,
So you
absolutely.
can answer the interview. Yes.
Oh, now what he's doing is it's called the rump steak butterfly.
Ah, right. I know.
Oh, butterfly.
It's the butterfly.
Oh.
Oh, the butterfly. Oh, that's nice.
And that's for a sandwich for Dave.
Eu sanduíche aqui, né?
E aqui ainda tem aqui ainda.
Qual que é essa?
Essa aqui é a gauchinha, chamaram gauchinha, né?
Oh, those are the...
This is one thing important from the United States. Because in the United States, you take the cow and you cut like that. And that's why you have the T-bone. We don't have the T-bone here, so you take all the part, all the steaks,
All the meat.
all the meat off,
The bone.
and we have also different names for the cuts.
Wow.
Wow.
Vocês podem pegar aqui.
Yeah.
Do you want to hold it down to make a picture?
No, that's okay. That's great as it is.
That's good actually. We took a picture outside.
Yeah.